Gladys said, "Honey, children, the day you one more again with me, Queen Quet. This should have head on the body of this show, Gullah Geechee Nation." Now, plenty of time when Honey, they yet me crack my teeth on Georgia, a dear right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation. Well, we got this young man come way across here from another rest of Georgia. I know some of the children might hear about Georgia on the news and say, "Oh, that they in Russia." No, this is Georgia in one country, ain't no one state over here. So, me glad said, "Tatiana, nada.
Tatiana is Russian.
That's right, Tatiana's there,
Yeah.
and Nada is there.
Yeah.
Now, Tatiana is with us from Russia, and she got coming up for join me in a little while. But Nadia is from the Georgia National Museum. Now, I love this card that you gave me, and I'm going to tell you why. We always were called black gold when they kidnapped and captured the Africans that became Gullah Geechees. So when you approached me with this black gold card, I immediately saw the colors. But then I saw the creatures.
Yes.
We call these kudas, and they're turtles. Now tell us a little bit about these two that are here.
Yes. So these are items that were discovered in the western part of my country, in Georgia.
In Georgia.
And they are very ancient. Some of them are back to 8th century BC.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and they are really very nice. Some earrings and bracelets and these turtlets, or how you say. And right now we do have exhibition of these items in our museum. And when we were choosing the logo for our museum, because it's new one, back to 2005, I mean unified one, right? And we wanted to have a new logo, to have a new look, let's say.
Okay.
Yes. And we did it. And we chose this one.
Yes.
So, and this is our logo right now.
It's beautiful.
And
Yes.
I like it.
I do, because it shows unification.
Yeah,
it really
it's
does.
Symbolic.
It's symbolic.
That's it.
And so when you talk about the country of Georgia, I know that unification is a major word there, because you had to fight for your independence.
We still have.
And you still have to, right? Because a lot of people aren't familiar with the country Georgia. Like you kept saying to me, they think you mean Atlanta. Right? So what brought you from Georgia to the Gullah Geechee Nation?
To the Gullah Geechee Nation, we are here right now only thanks to you. So, and we are very happy we are here because in our program, it was included. We had some tour 2 days ago, but it was, if you ask me, comparing to today, it was just like touristic. I mean, yes, we were very happy with our guide. She showed us everything she could. We saw lots of things and we were happy, and I saw that it is everything. I'm happy now, I know what it is, now I know what people they were, what they were doing and things like that. But after yesterday when we met you, and you showed us other side of the story, deeper, more human, more personal. And today more. Today when we are with you, you showed us so many things, and you are so emotional while you are telling it. It is the opinion of all the group. You are saying that you are in love with your people, with your land, let's say, with your, and it is very contagious, let's say.
That's a good thing. This is a good contagious.
Good contagious. Good sense.
Absolutely, yes.
So, and that's how we are here.
Wonderful.
And again, I see that this personal contact
makes a difference.
Absolutely. The story makes a difference.
Absolutely. Now, I'm the queen here, but I know that you all had a queen in Tamar. Right? Now tell us a little bit about her.
So she was a Queen Tamar, but she had such a big personality that Georgians used to call her King Tamar. King Tamar. Yes, because of her personality. It was back to 12th century. And by then Georgia, it was prosperity was there in Georgia. It was a real strong country. And even now, the name Tamar is very popular in Georgia. And when families have daughters, they try to call her Tamar after king, let's say Tamar, hoping to have strong and personality, prominent
and everything.
She was, by the way, the only woman
leader of the country. President,
Tsar. She was the only Tsar there.
Only female Tsar.
And after that, we did not have any president
or
no one.
anything.
We only had chief of parliament.
Okay.
I mean, it's more macho society.
Right.
And right now, women are trying
To liberate themselves and be more emancipated and so forth.
and to men that we are
Equal in
human beings,
society.
so
Exactly.
we can do something.
Right. So now at your museum, can someone come there and learn the history of Queen Tamar or King Tamar and others?
You know what, we, as I mentioned before, we have 8 museums. So in the museum where I work, it's just administrative stuff.
Okay.
Of course you can do. And there is a place, it is in the eastern part of Georgia, where we have a fresco of her. It's very ancient.
Oh.
And if you go there,
Then
you've
you
got
learn.
the whole history with
Oh,
the guide and with this fresco. It's very ancient.
Excellent.
Right? And this is the part which was flourishing by then when she was.
When she was reigning.
That's it. Exactly.
Okay.
So there you get authentic story.
Right.
And in the museum, of course, you can get some
More.
background and.
Right.
That's
And
it.
so with the 8 different museums,
Yeah.
you all have them linked so that you have a system where you have the story of your whole country
Of
told
course
through
we
each
do,
division.
yeah. Of course we do. It's not in a very perfect shape maybe right now because we are changing lots of things. We are in the period of reforms.
Reform.
And sometimes it's painful for people who
Oh,
are
yeah.
living there.
Right.
But still we are trying to do it.
And you're making progress.
And even being here for me, I got a big experience. And I think that even when I'm back, I will realize how many things I got here. Because
right.
now I'm more exciting and more emotions.
Right.
And when I'm back, I guess so.
Exactly.
It will be all,
It'll be, you'll be the person with the big personality and the
hope
energy.
so. I hope so.
Yes,
Because
you
lots
have
of
to.
things.
You know why? Because you've already caught it now, because it's contagious. So now you have to go back to your Georgia from here with our Georgia.
With your
and spread
energy?
the- Exactly.
Okay,
exactly. And our prayers for the Gullah Geechee Nation and our Georgia here go out to Georgia.
Thanks a lot.
And so hopefully one day you'll see us together on
Yes.
Gullah Geechee Gwine on, but I'll be over in the country, Georgia. And so I'll be bringing our greetings there with my sister here. All right. So, Hana Chillin, that'll what Gwine on.